Welcome to volume part 1. Just some quick announcements before we get started here. I can take up a lot more time in this video because this is going to be a really short one because volume is pretty easy. Quick announcement coming up in videos is going to be square roots. Alright, but it's going to be a little harder than, well, it's going to be harder than the little grade 2, the square root of 4 is 2. It's going to be, you're going to see things like 5 to the power of root 3. Okay, things like that. But, coming up before that, my surface, the surface video, the surface area videos, and the volume videos that I'm going to be making, this one and part 2, I'm going to be translating into français. So, if you're interested in that, or if you have been watching this in English and need it in French, those will be coming soon. I still haven't decided if I'm going to translate my trigonometry videos yet, because there's so many of them. We'll see coming up later on. Anyway, let's get started. So, volume part 1. Volume is really easy. All you got to do is multiply the 3 sides for a cube, or for a rectangular prism, or any type of shape that, as long as it's not a pyramid or a prism, that's all you need to do. Okay? So for volume, I'm going to write it as area of the base times height. Now for the area of the base, we go back to area. Base times height. Right? It's a square. So base times height in this problem, that would be 2 times 2. So area of the base equals 4 centimeters squared. And now volume, so the formula is area of the base times height. So area of the base, we got 4 centimeters squared times our height, 2 centimeters. And we get, I'll have to write it, I'll write it up here. Volume equals 8 centimeters cubed. Cubed is the little 3 right beside the units, just like that. Okay? So that's volume for cubes and rectangles and all that. Now we're moving on to the pyramid. You noticed, I hope you noticed actually, that I'm using the same forms and same values that I used for my surface area video. So let's get started. This one's really quick. Volume equals area of the base times height. This time, instead of divided by 2, we're going to divide it by 3. The reason we divide it by 3 is because 3 pyramids can fit into 1 cube. There are some computer programs that actually show you that if it's a certain way that they fold. Like if you made it out of paper, there's a certain way that they fold, and they end up making a perfect cube. Okay, so that's why we divide it by 3. So area of the base equals, the base is a square, base times height. So area equals 10 times 10, area of the base equals 100 centimeters squared. Alright, so now I'll continue over here. Volume equals area of the base, 100 centimeters squared, times our height, 10 centimeters, divided by 3. Volume equals 1,000 centimeters squared divided by 3. And volume equals whatever that is. I'm not going to bother to divide it out, only because for once, I didn't plan my video ahead. I'm just making this really quickly, so whatever 1,000 divided by 3 is the answer. Go through, check it out. You'll see that it's correct. So coming up next is volume part 2, and it is going to be using the same form that I showed you in surface area part 2, except this time it's going to be working with volume. Alright, hope to see you there, and hope to see you in the translated surface area and volume videos. See you later.